So I got to do a load of laundry. I got to put gas in the car, clean my car, and pack. So got a lot to do tonight, but we're gonna get her done. Let's go. I don't know why. The car is cleaned, the laundry's done. Now I'm gonna pack. So please ignore all this stuff right now. I'm currently packing and I'm just not realizing a lot of this is blue. It is my favorite color. So I do have a lot of things that are blue, but not everything is blue, I promise. I do have a lot of stuff in other colors, but I do have a lot of things that are blue because it is my favorite color. And I'm just now realizing a lot of stuff in the frame is blue. So is anyone else an overpacker like me? Because I've been an overpacker for years. I think it started when I was like 13, 14, and it was my first year at camp. And I packed like the bare minimum, and it was just not enough. And ever since then, I have packed more than I probably should. But for me, I'd rather be safe than sorry, because I don't know what I'm going to want to wear, like just in case something happens. There's a lot of water activities, like I get warm easily, so I'm changing in and out of stuff. I'd rather pack too much than too little, because you never know what's gonna happen. So I just pack way too much, because again, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So literally we're gonna be at camp for 5 days and I'm packing for like 7 or 8 days. But yeah, anyone else, can anyone else relate to me, or am I the only one? Does anyone else like opening Amazon packages? Even though you know what's gonna be in them, you still love doing it because it feels like Christmas Day. So like last year, we are on the yellow team again. And so I got some eye blocks that you can put on your face. I got everyone some sunglasses, and I also got bandanas. Oh, and Ryan found these somewhere in the apartment. I have no idea where he found them, but I was like, I'll bring them to camp and the girls can wear them if they want. They can decorate them and whatnot, but thought it'd be something fun for them to do if they like. Go yellow! So I am all packed up and ready to go for tomorrow. Hopefully I remembered everything this year, unlike last year where I forgot a couple of things. Thankfully they weren't super duper important, but still would have been nice to have. But this year, I think I have everything, but I guess I will find out when I get up there. Peace. It's corn, a big lava knobs. It's got the juice, it's got the juice. What more beautiful things? I can't think. My name's blurry face, and I can't think. So we stopped at Quick Trip to get some brekkie. Can't believe I just said that. Anyway, got something to eat, and now we are on our final leg of the road trip. Good morning. It is Tuesday. I'm off to breakfast and it is so quiet around here at the moment, but I'm pretty sure that'll change very soon. But we got a great day ahead and I'm looking forward to seeing what God has in store. I know where everyone is now. The coffee shop. Time for the rec duty. Good morning. So it is Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. I am off to the beach for some worship, and then we're gonna get on with the rest of our day. So yesterday was good, and today I know is gonna be even better. So enjoy the day 3 of team. It has already rained a little bit this morning, and I think it's supposed to storm later on. So I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna be doing all today, but I'm pretty sure we'll find something to do. I hate when I have to carry stuff around, and right now I'm currently carrying 2 things and cannot wait until I don't have to use my umbrella anymore. There we go. Tonight is the moon. Today is Thursday and is the longest day of the week. Looking forward to it. Let's get it started. Of course, we would get yellow golf balls because we're team yellow. Oh, I know one. I don't know where my main comb is, so I've been using this one. Thankfully my hair is wet, so it's easy to comb through, and I hope that when I'm unpacking I will find my other comb. But right now, just using this one. Praise the Lord, I have this one. When it's really raining and your umbrella is at the lost and found, so you have to go get it and you're getting drenched in the process.